Mm. So I'm outside. It's an awesome day. A little cloudy. It's nice though. I'm eating some Ritz crackers, and I'm here to tell you about our digital design project. Me, Corey Good, um, Clay Kite, and Rich. I'm sorry, Rich. I can't pronounce your last name. I'll try and post in the video to give you credit. The four of us just finished up our final project for our engineering 2031 class, and um, in just a minute I can show you guys a clip of it, kind of in action. If we had one more day to work on it, there's a lot of stuff we could have done, which I'll tell you about later. But anyway, here's a clip of what we designed. Basically, it's anyway. I'll just show you the clip. So here's what I have. Okay, so here I am in the engineering computer lab at Armstrong Atlantic campus. This is the program we use to write our program on. It's called Altera Cordis 2, and what I'm showing you here is the top level schematic design where all of the different VHDL files are connected. With the exception of one ASM or MIF file used for the character display, the entire game was written in VHDL files. I won't bore you with the details. If you want to know more about what we used to write the game, I can tell you later. Just email me or send me a comment. Basically, you hit play and the game does this. This is our startup screen. It says space death like 52 times vertically. We're having trouble with the character display. We never really got that to work quite like we wanted to. In the bottom left corner is the D2 board, which we use to realize the game on it. And when you hit enter or flip the switch, you have the game. You have displayed a number of enemies which move in a pre-described pattern and speed, and if they run into you, then you, the little ship on the bottom, die. So we're going to hit reset, which is the fourth switch. The fifth switch sends you back into the game again. And if you flip the third switch, you start firing automatically. Little bullets, which are kind of hard to see. The little green lasers are coming out of the ship, and if they run into an enemy, it kills it. Now I've also flipped up the second, or the first switch on the switchboard, which allows us to move faster. See how the ship can move faster than before. There are 4 push buttons which are allowing us to control the ship, left, right, up, and down, as I'm demonstrating here. So, in just a second, I will reset it again. After I show you once again how to control the ship. Okay. So, that's the button that turns off the whole game. Reset back to the title page. Enter. The game's running again. Turn off the game. And also we had another feature where if you didn't push any buttons for 3 minutes, the game would shut off on its own. As you see, the enemies start in the same position, going the same direction every time you reset the game. That took some time for us to figure out how that works. And for the most part, that's our game. So there you have it. 2 or 3 weeks of hard work, and this is what we have to show for it. We're quite proud. Today, actually, while we were working on the final touches of the program, we figured out how to use a keyboard instead of using the buttons on the D2 board, which we've been working on the entire design time, but we only got to work 15 minutes before the project was due. So we didn't get to fully realize it, but we have that working now. And we also had some ideas for making different levels of difficulty for the game. We made it so that the enemies move at different speeds in different random places. We made more of them. We were going to have it so different switches would let you move to different levels of the game or different difficulties, but we kind of ran out of time. So give us 2 more days and we can make this thing absolutely sick awesome. But even so, with where it is now, we're proud of it. This is our digital design final project for our sophomore year, and I hope all of you nerds out there who care about this kind of thing enjoyed this video, and I'm out. Have a good day.